My story, huh? Take a ride.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another trucking vlog. We've been driving for, feels like it's been longer than 2 hours. Yeah, it has been. I don't know if it went to on duty or what. Probably because I went in to get breakfast. But we've been driving for like 3 hours and 20 minutes so far. About to pull into Nashville. I set my alarm for 7 a.m. this morning. It's currently 10:39. I didn't think where I was delivering was Eastern Standard Time. I thought it was Central Time, but it must be like right over the lip of like the time zone change. So I thought I was gonna be there at like 1:30 because they close at like 3 o'clock's last call. But now we're gonna be there at 2:35, and I'm hoping that I can make it through Nashville here without like slowing down. Like obviously slowing down a little bit's okay, but I don't want to come to a stop and wait like 20 minutes. So I have no wood to knock on, but knock on wood, hopefully that doesn't happen and we can make our ETA. I wish we could go a little bit faster, but I don't know. We'll see what time we end up getting there. I think they have overnight parking if I have to. I really don't want to, but I guess we'll just see how that goes. Alright, so we're gonna see how this goes. I couldn't really get the route to calculate on Trucker Path, and yeah, so I have to use Google Maps, which is like not advised for driving a truck, but that's where we're at. So hopefully, obviously I'll stop if I come across a low clearance bridge, but this is where we're supposed to go. So I don't know, guys. This is the first time. I looked at it on Google Earth, the place I'm going to, and it looks like it's right, but we're gonna see. I'm not too sure. All right, so we got a truck coming the way we went, but or there's two, so we're probably good. But man, I hate stuff like this, and I know my trailer's sticking out, but I didn't really have a choice. Is this a truck stop here? No. I've seen Thornton's have like truck parking, but obviously they don't there. Oh, we gotta turn left down Main Street. Oh boy. Main Street is probably not a good truck street. Main Street's like the main street. Oh boy. Guess we're gonna find out. I saw this place on Google Maps. It looked pretty cool, but that's not where we're delivering to. So is it like an inside mall or some stuff? I don't know. It's not the route it told me to go on, but I think this is probably the smarter move. So it looks like there's like a more of like an industrial area back here. I think I should be able to go in this space here. Maybe. Yep, cleared that pretty easy. Oh Lord, is this a road or is this part of this kitchen compact place? Army Reserve Center, that's kind of cool. So we're gonna have to wait for that car to go because I'm gonna have to use all that. Alright, hopefully there's not another one coming. Looks like the trees have been hit by semis before, so that's another good sign. We're supposed to be back here in this area. They close at 3, it's 2:30. I'm hoping they're gonna unload me, we'll see. I have no idea. Oh my goodness. There's a property for rent right there. Maybe I should move here to Louisville. No through trucks. Is that saying right or straight? I think it's saying right. I hope this is 13.6. It's not marked. I think it might. Yeah, it's definitely over 13.6. Stop here as well. And then we got to stop up ahead. Is this 13.6, bro? I can't see crap. Yeah, that's 13.6. They should mark that though, because I felt like it wasn't. Is this cop here sitting to catch drivers coming through here? That'd be a pretty crappy day for me. I thought he was pulling out for a second. I was like, oh crap. Now I gotta go straight here. Yeah, I would have been coming down this road. I can't really see down this way. It's a four-way stop though, so we're good. It's like back here and to the left. I don't think there's very many semis that come down this way. Oh, bro, you gotta get out of the road. You gotta get out of the road, buddy. I'm not going head on with a bicyclist. I hope I can make this turn here though. Man, oh man. Looks like I'm turning left here. Okay, Garmin. Cancel navigation.
Okay, cancel.
Yeah, raise this mirror back up too. Looks like I can make a left here. And it looks like somebody's in the dock I need, because I think that's where I need to go. But we'll go get checked in and all that. Alright, so we got our door assigned. Just going straight back into this one. I hate these places, bro. Ease her right on back into it. We're gonna be sticking out into this road. Almost in there. We gotta be close. We got unloaded, but I came here and I saw this blue spot, so I was like, what the hell? But there's something in the, I think it's like laundry detergent or something. It leaked out of the nose of the trailer and it's all over this area. And my biggest concern is it's dripping on the brake caliper or the air brake here. I think that could be really bad. So this gets hot, potentially start smoking, cause a fire. So I think we need to get rid of this trailer, but we also need to get a wash. So I told Cornell, like, I'm done with this trailer, bro. Like, find me a different one. So I'm not doing this trailer anymore. This is that same trailer that he was like, go pick up. It's a good trailer. It's been repaired. On the other side, there's also 3 rivets up here that are missing. So like light can get through. Like, this trailer is just junk. It's not a GP trailer, so I'm not saying that GP has junk equipment. I'm just saying that this trailer is junk, and no driver at GP should be driving this. I mean, GP's got their own trailers and stuff. So see if I can get those to release so I can slide them. So we're gonna do that and then find out what Cornell wants us to do. All right, so we finally got an answer from Cornell. We need to take the trailer to Blue Beacon and get a washout, and we're gonna have to wash the truck, but I'm gonna see if they can do the washout on the trailer before they wash the truck, because you know, you guys can see, I can kind of smell it. It smells like detergent, kind of getting hot. I hope it doesn't start smoking, bro. That'd be really bad. Ugh, I smell it. That's not good. That's not good at all. I need to make a right here. I'm gonna need to stay out wide though. I'm trying to stay off these brakes. I need to stay off the brakes, and hopefully we don't catch on fire, bro. truck catches on fire, I'm literally just grabbing my MacBook and my GoPro and I'm pretty much moved out. I don't care about clothes. I can drop $400 on clothes. I don't really want to spend $1,500 on a MacBook and a GoPro again, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna try to get him to wash out the trailer first and then wash that area really good. We'll see what we can do though. I called the Blue Beacon because the trailer's kind of dirty, like there's a piece of wood in there. I was like, hey, if the trailer's dirty, do you guys still wash it? And they're like, yeah, it's a washout. I'm like, all right, just wanted to make sure, because there is like wood blocks in there and everything. So and then we're done with this trailer. So apparently where we're going, we're getting rid of it. So that's what I wanted to hear. We got hour and 30 minutes till we get to the Flying J that has the Blue Beacon. I'm gonna try to lay off my brakes. I'm gonna use my engine brake. I know it's loud and it's probably not permitted right here, but I don't know if you guys can tell, we're getting it washed right now. The guy thought I put soap on the floor because he said a lot of drivers will like put soap to get the odor out, and like there's a whole bunch of soap on the floor back behind my truck, and I was like, nah, that's how they unloaded it. They punctured a soap bottle and like got soap everywhere. And he was like, oh, and there was like so much soap. He's like, we can't get it all, but we can wash it out, but like the more we wash it, the more the soap comes, and we'll have to start charging by the minute. And I was like, nah. But so I was supposed to be going to a Love's 58 miles away, but I looked and it said that hold on, I gotta focus, make sure I don't hit anything. It said that it said there's some spots, but then I started reading reviews and people were like, people leave their personal vehicles here all day and then they reserve the spots for the night, so you're not gonna find any parking. And I'm like, great. So I need to find a parking spot at this Flying J, because there's a Pilot across the street, but that's probably not gonna help. So I need to try to find something here that's not reserved, because I don't really want to freaking pay for this stupid shit. I ain't got money like that anymore, guys. I just took 9 days off at home time, you know? So hopefully we can find some free parking here, or parking at all, to be honest. I might just have to go up to the Love's and be like, well, I don't know what to tell you guys. Because is that one right there? I'll take that one right there. It might be reserved though. I'm gonna see. There's a lot of water. Those are reserved. I bet these are reserved. Oh, it does say reserved. Okay, I was gonna say, no way that isn't reserved. It's just so hard to see right now, bro. All this water and stuff. I bet like 90% of these spots. Oh, these aren't reserved. I gotta roll down my window so I can see. Oh, great. Oh, freaking great, dude. I don't think we're gonna be able to find anything for free here. Oh, are those free? Or are those reserved? We're gonna find out here in a minute. Please tell me these are free. Bobtail, bobtail. Bobtail. Son of a gun, dude. Drop trailer. See if we can see something here real quick. Nope. That's why truck stops really need reserved or bobtail spaces, dude. That's why they really need them. Even though it'd probably still be full, but those reserved back there or no? I will take one back. Oh, they are reserved, bro. What the hell? This one open? It's not a parking spot. I think I'm just gonna have to pay for parking. Well guys, we ended up parking at the Flying J for the night. Ended up paying for a spot. We'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for future content. Peace!
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.